guys, welcome back to Codemy. My name is Shri Bhagwat and there is a wonderful news for you. I am going to start a Dart plus DSA course. Now DSA stands for Data Structure and Algorithm. This course is not specifically for Dart DSA. No matter what language you're using, you can learn the algorithm logic in that language. So the logic base is same, but the language that I have chose is Dart because Dart is new language and I work in Flutter usually. So what we will be covering in this course, first we will start by understanding what is programming languages. So we will have a normal introduction to programming languages, how they started, the history of programming and everything. Then what are the types of programming languages like static type, dynamic type, it's functional or object oriented programming languages. So we will get into that. I will try to make you understand the different types of programming languages. Then what is the difference between a static and a dynamic programming language and how computer communicates. After that, we will go into Dart specific language where I will teach you what Dart language is. So you can watch these videos if you want to learn Dart language or if you want to learn Flutter. If not, you can completely skip the Dart language part and go to the DSA course and you can use the logic in language that you're comfortable with. For example, if you want to do that in Java or Kotlin or Python, you can watch the videos and understand the logic itself. So in Dart language, I will be first introducing you to the language. Then we will study about variables, data types, how to create variables, what are functions, or as you might know, methods, how to create functions, different types of functions, then classes, what are classes, how we create a class, how to name a class, okay, how to use variables inside classes. Then there are some Dart specific variables that we will study in depth. Then operators. So now operators means arithmetic operators, logical operators, addition, subtraction, or let's say relational operators, greater than, smaller than, okay. Conditionals means if else. So we will study these things, and flowchart and pseudocode. So after studying the operators and conditionals, we will have a small exercise on how to create flowchart and pseudocode. Now what is flowchart? Flowchart means how a code goes from start to end, and pseudocode means false code. We won't be writing the complete code, but we will just be writing the logic behind the code. It is very essential to build logical part before jumping to algorithms and creating programs. Exploring strings, we will go deep into the string part of the Dart language. Then what are loops? For loops, while loops, do while loops, or for each loops, which will help us in learning the data structure and how to interact with data structure even easily. Then the switch case. For example, there are some 7 to 8 different cases. Then instead of using conditionals, if else condition, we can use the switch case where we give a switch and the program decides what case we have to run. And functions in Dart, how the functions in Dart are or how they react with. Then this is the first part of the course which will purely be focused on Dart, okay. Then we will jump to the second part, that is DSA. So first we will start with introduction to DSA, what actually data structure and algorithm means. Then complexity, what is time complexity, space complexity, or the notations. So time complexity means how much time it requires, and space complexity means how much space it needs. Of course, in detail we will explore those topics even more. Then we will go with data structure for Dart. What are the data structure that we are going to need just for this DSA course, okay. So the DSA stands for data structure algorithm. We are going to start with the DS part, that is data structure, and we are going to cover list, order, map, and set, and everything else will be inside this. So in this data structure we will be having stacks. So we will learn about stack operation, pushing an object into a stack, popping an object out of the stack. Then what are linked list, what is queues, then trees, binary search trees, tries, how to do a binary search, okay. With this we will also learn about heaps and priority queues, okay. And after understanding the data structure, then we will go into creating or generating the algorithms. So we will start with the sorting algorithm, merge sort, radix sort, heap sort, quick sort, and then we will go with graphs, how to generate graphs. Then we will go with some difficult algorithms. Those are breadth first search, depth first search, and Dikshitra's algorithm. So these are few of the algorithms that we will explore. Once we are done with the data structure and algorithm, then we will also go into solving the problems. So when we will be doing some sort or some algorithm, then we will solve some problems regarding that topic. So it will be clear for us. And at the end of the course, we will be having some challenges that you will have to solve. And if you get stuck, no need to worry. You can refer to my videos where I will be telling you how to solve those problems. Then I will also be guiding you how you can approach difficult problems, some learning tips, how you can get most out of this course, how you can excel in Dart and Flutter. Then we will be focusing on interview questions where I will be telling you some of the interview questions that generally the companies ask and the answers that they expect, and how you can land an awesome job. Apart from that, we will also be exploring what is community and how you can contribute back to the community and create an impact which will help you build up your profile. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next videos that you will be getting. I will try my best to upload one video daily, and slowly we will complete this course. If you have any questions, you can always put them down in the comment box, and as I get time, I will reply to them. I hope you're as excited as I am, and we will get started. So follow my YouTube channel. I will create a DSA Dart playlist, so keep that saved. And as soon as new videos get recorded, I will keep them adding into the playlist. So for right now, bye bye, take care.